Hey folks, this is a comment from, I believe it was Bibbo, which is a cute name. I don't know why I like that so much. And then they say, if you see someone stealing food or diapers, no you didn't. Couldn't agree more. Now, obviously, this is in response to the video I made yesterday talking about the situation in Mississippi and the situation in LA with these cop shootings. And I just wanted to add, as far as I'm concerned, and I think that most people would agree with this, especially Bibbo and people like that, it didn't matter. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't have to be food and diapers. I mean, those absolutely should be. If you see somebody taking those, help them. Like, as far as I'm concerned, like make a diversion for them so they can get out. As far as I'm concerned, I genuinely believe this. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, and I'm not saying this for likes or clicks or anything like that. I'm saying this: take what you need. Take what you need. And I know that people are saying, well, you can't promote thievery, you can't promote theft. And am I promoting theft? No, not any more so than our government does, not any more so than these billion-dollar fucking corporations, trillion-dollar fucking corporations do when they pay people literally unlivable wages. No, I'm not promoting theft. I'm saying take what you are owed, take what you have earned. And a lot of times the people that are stealing from these stores are the people that work at these stores. And they can't afford to fucking live because that's how they make those record fucking profits. So at some point in time, something's gonna break. Either those people that work there are going to fucking die and they'll be replaced by somebody else that is also starving to death, and and that just keeps going. And we just keep feeding the machine, or people just start to wake up and go, wait a minute, I'm worth more than this, and if you're not willing to pay me, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm going to take what I think is my value. And there's a lot of people out there that obviously are going to go, well, you can't do that. Then go get a better job. Right. It's just that easy. It's just that easy, isn't it? It's that easy for you. Well, it's not necessarily that easy for everyone. And you need to be aware of that, because this is the system that we've all agreed to, that everybody fucking holds up as being so wonderful. Sometimes when you have a system like we have, people cannot afford to survive, because that is what capitalism does. It's what it's always done. And this is why people rail against it, is because sooner or later it gets to the point where the only option that people have is to break the laws that the people in power, the people that own those companies, put in place to punish the people that they are starving. And as long as you don't understand that, you're going to continue to shill for the companies. Don't call the police. Look the other way. It doesn't matter what somebody's taking. All that matters is that they wouldn't be breaking the law, as you put it, if they didn't need to. If they could afford it, they would. And that's how you need to think about it. Because if you look at the social sciences, if you understand the numbers, then you know that the numbers skew dramatically in that way. That if people could afford it, they would. They would do it the right way. But they can't. They just can't. And so they have to take. So do yourself a favor. Understand that fucking Walmart's inventory isn't your inventory. And let people go. Let people do what they do. Because when you call the police, you're literally threatening them with death. Is it worth it? If you see somebody stealing food and diapers, no you didn't. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. And thank you for this comment, Bibbo. I'll talk to you soon.